Let me introduce you the new wizard to the family of magic coordinate. First of all, let me select all the objects and let's press the set magic coordinate wizard we know about that will set the magic coordinate modifier to all the selected objects. And now, presenting you in the node editor on the magic coordinate tab, you are going to see a new wizard here, the get magic coordinate wizard. So what it does, it's, for example, let's say you are going through your beautiful library of materials, and let's say you are going to use this one for his hoodie, and as you know, things are not going to work in animated characters, even though this is a very nice procedural material. And what it does, now you simply select the material or get your material active in the node editor, and you are going to simply press the get magic coordinate wizard. That's going through all this node group and replaces whatever node groups you have selected here to use the get magic coordinate node group. And now you have things still procedural, still completely tweakable. Everything is live. Everything is still working as a 3D procedural material that does work with animated characters, that has consistent scaling, and that's how you're going to use your existing materials and leverage the use of these guys in any project that you would like. Let's try something else. I'm scrolling through Sanctus library, which is probably one of the best procedural materials we have in the market. So let's say we are going to use a leather kind of material to the hat. Let me add it to the hat. Yes, and as you can see, it is sliding. The texture is not working, but simply getting your material active. Let's take a look. This beautiful smart material, leather one, made by Sanctus, doesn't work with animated characters. Let's press get magic coordinate and voila, it now works. And Sanctus material is still completely tweakable. Everything is still live. Everything is still working. Look how much flexibility we're going to have with your procedural materials now. Now you don't have to enter this crazy mess. Now you don't have to find where to switch your nodes to the get magic coordinate one. It will automatically find for you and switch for you. So that's how you're going to, leverage the use of procedural materials. And no bakings, no UVs. Keep the fun, keep the flow with magic coordinate. Ciao!